Hello dear student, welcome to the DAV Mall Public School Sitasangi. I am your computer teacher and this is standard 5th. In this video we will going to discuss about the advanced features in OpenOffice org Writer part 3rd. Earlier we discussed about the tables and why we use the tables. Okay, see here again. So I will tell you what is table. So tables are used to writer to organize lengthy data. Table is an excellent tool that is used to organize the text, graphics or data in the form of row and columns. Here are some advantages of the using tables. See here, so what are the advantages? It helps in keeping related information for any entry at one's place. Attractive way to maintaining data, easy to navigate and search data. Miss Tab then told Alice how she can prepare a guest list using tables. There are a number of ways to create a tables in a writer. So let's see first method using menu. To insert a new table, step first, click on the table menu option. See here in the images I'll be showed and I will locate it in the number 1. Okay, so step first, click on the table menu option. Then second step is to click on the insert option and select the table option. The dialog box open. Okay, and the third step is to give the relevant name to the table. Then set the number of columns and the rows required in the size options and press OK. Then select the heading option to define the first row in the table as the heading. Then select the border option to surround each cell of the table with the border. In the images I will indicate as a 4 and 3rd and 4th. Okay. Now the step 4, click on the OK. A new table with the 4 columns and 3 rows will be inserted as shown in the figure. You can add the data into it. Okay. Now let's see the second method using a toolbar. So step first, click on the table icon on the standard toolbar. To insert a table quickly from the standard toolbar, first place the cursor in the document or a file where you want the table to appear. And second, click the arrow to the right side of the table icon. Third, in the drop down grid, select the number of rows and columns for the table. The table will appear at the location of your cursor as shown in below. Now you can add as many records in your table as you want. So see here, the first figure indicates the columns, the rows. Okay, in the cell. So this is the cell. So Alice says, that's wonderful, Miss Tab. It's simple to use and is a good way of organizing lengthy data. Can I add more records into it? To insert a new row or column inside a table, you have to follow some steps. So let's see. So first step, place the cursor in the row or column where you want to add a new row or column. Second step, click the table option. Then go to the insert and select the row and column option. A dialog box will appear from which you can select the number of rows or column to insert. You can also set the position of the new rows and or columns to before or after. Click step 3. Click OK to close the dialog box. Then Alice says, what if I want to remove any record from the table? Then Miss Tab says, oh, that's as simple as inserting a row. Let me explain how to delete a row or column. To delete the row or columns, here I will introduce the first method using menu. Step first, select the row or column to be deleted. The step 2, choose the table option from the menu bar and select the delete option and choose a row or column option to delete the selection. And another method is using a toolbar. So step first, select the row or column to be deleted, and step 2, select the delete a row or column in icon from the toolbar. Okay, so in this way you can insert or delete the rows or columns in the table. Then Alice says, Miss Tab, you are really multi-talented. Miss Tab says, thanks Alice. Then Alice says, I also want to practice tables. So Miss Tab said, okay, let me give you some small examples. So in this way we see how to insert a table, and in the table we see how to insert a row and columns, and how to delete the rows and columns from the tables. Okay, in the next video we will going to the for discuss the further of this lesson. Okay, till then have a good day. Thank you.